don't know if like I said, it's been such a kind of slow journey through the years,
Yeah.
that it's built. So you don't spend that much time reflecting on things in that way. But I'll tell you, because last year was the 25th anniversary of the band, and we were supposed to do this 25th anniversary tour, and so because that couldn't happen, we did this like slideshow. I don't know if you saw that thing. We did this
Mm.
slideshow where we all sat there and just looked through like a million pictures of over the years, and that was definitely one of those moments where you, not so much like in terms of like imposter syndrome or whatever, but in
Yeah.
terms of like, fuck, we have covered an insane amount of
Yeah.
ground, and look how old we are now. Jesus, we were so young, when the whole thing started out. But yeah, it's wild, man. When you think about it, I mean, you mentioned the Mick Jagger thing. That that was like that. It just doesn't get. The only thing that could top that for me personally would be to do the same thing with Keith Richards. You
Yeah.
know.